Today, I'm sharing my honest experience using Llama, Meta's open source language model. First off, the site providing access to Llama is clean but minimalistic. It doesn't have the polish or user-friendliness of platforms like OpenAI's Playground or Anthropic's Claude interface. Navigation is straightforward, but you may feel like you're on a back-end dashboard instead of a refined user interface. Once inside the platform, accessing Llama's models requires either API setup or loading a model instance locally, depending on the distribution you're using. If you're expecting a plug-and-play experience like ChatGPT, be prepared. It's more technical. Llama was clearly built for researchers and developers comfortable working in environments like Hugging Face, GitHub, or custom server setups. In terms of performance, Llama's impressive. I tested Llama 3 in various scenarios: code generation, summarization, and long-form content creation. For programming, it's fast and fairly accurate, but not flawless. It lacks the intuitive error correction you might get from commercial models trained with broader RLHF fine-tuning. When summarizing dense academic texts, Llama was strong, although slightly verbose and less nuanced compared to Claude 3 or GPT-4. Latency depends heavily on your setup. Running locally with a decent GPU gave me fast results, but in the cloud or shared environments, it slowed down. Keep this in mind if you plan on integrating it into an app or research pipeline. Many useful links you can find in the description. One major pro of Llama is transparency. Meta has released detailed documentation and encourages responsible AI development, unlike some more closed ecosystems. However, the model weights are still gated, requiring approval from Meta, and the license restricts certain commercial uses, so it's not completely open in practice. There are also notable limitations. Llama struggles with nuance in conversational tasks and occasionally generates generic or repetitive outputs. Unlike models trained on rich reinforcement learning feedback, Llama can feel raw in its responses. That's not a deal breaker for research, but it makes it less appealing for consumer-facing applications. Security and safety filters are minimal. You need to implement your own safeguards, so developers should proceed with caution. There's no real-time content moderation or feedback system baked in like with other commercial models. This freedom is great for experimentation, but risky without oversight. Llama is not ideal for beginners. If you're just getting into AI or looking for a casual chatbot, the learning curve and infrastructure setup may be too steep. But for developers, AI researchers, and technical users looking for a powerful model to fine-tune or benchmark, Llama offers a lot of value, especially because of its open research ethos. In summary, Llama is a powerful tool with great research potential, but it's not for everyone. Its performance is competitive, especially considering its availability and scale, but you'll need technical skills to make the most of it. If you're comfortable in a more DIY AI environment, this could be a great addition to your toolkit. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest AI reviews, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments.